Agarwal, and today I'm going to make a circuit that shows you how a photoresistor works and what is the use of a photoresistor. So, for the components and the things you need from home are a breadboard, LED, photoresistor, resistor, 3-wire, 9-volt battery, and finally a torch. In case we need to see a photoresistor more, the LED more brighter. So, the first of all, this is a breadboard. So, this one is the positive, the upper one, no, the negative is the upper one here and positive is the below one. The negative is the upper one now. It is upper one and this down one is the positive here, and these 5 are connected to each other, but these 5 are not connected. So the first thing I need to do is take a LED, straighten it up, and then insert it like this. Well, while a LED nickname is called a light emitting diode, and a LED has glow. It is glow like a light bulb. This color is the green color. So now I have got this resistor. I'll just straighten it up. Okay, it has not got any positive or negative. I wanted to just straighten it up. Okay, resistor is connected. Time for the photoresistor, the most important part of this circuit. Photoresistor, as you know, the photoresistor is a resistor, and when light falls on a photoresistor, the LED will glow, or a light bulb. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to write it up here, and by the connection of wires, we can place the LEDs one. Just going to just straighten it up. Do it like this, and no. Then what I will do is, with the help of one wire, I'm going to connect it here like this and till this point. No one. This green wire is going to come here, and this one is going to come to the positive. Now time for the negative. Okay, now I'll connect the 9 volts. I'm going to connect it now. components and tools here. So the last thing, you can see the LED is not glowing a little bit. Tap on the photoresist and the LED is gone. But if I shine the torch here, the LED will glow. You can see the LEDs glow. That is why the photoresistor is used, because when light falls on it like this, you can do it from far off. But it should be on the photoresistor. And you can see the photoresistor, the LED is glowing. Now I've switched off the lights so I can show you the photoresistor effect better. You can see the LED is glowing in the dark. So if I do a little bit up, the LED is glowing. And please like and subscribe to our channel to see more of my videos or circuits of animal